Welcome, this is Gabi Zapodanu, Technical Marketing Engineer, Enterprise Networking Business, Cisco Systems. In this demonstration, I will show you how to configure Cisco DNA Center Webhooks notifications to Splunk Enterprise Server. For the demonstration, I'm going to use the evaluation software for Splunk Enterprise. Similar integration can be configured from Cisco DNA Center to Splunk Cloud. We are going to configure Cisco DNA Center webhooks, trigger an event, and send notifications to Splunk Enterprise Server. This is a sample of the Cisco DNA Center Assurance Issue event. This notification includes information regarding the type of event, the priority of the event, details regarding the event, and the device that triggered the event. Also, the event payload includes a link for the Cisco DNA Center Assurance Issue details, where we can find more information regarding the event and troubleshooting suggested actions. The event that we generated from Cisco DNA Center has been received by Splunk Enterprise. This is how this event will be stored in one of the indexes from the Splunk Enterprise Server. Let's start by configuring Splunk HTTP Event Collector. Splunk HTTP Event Collectors provide a variety of options to input data in the Splunk Enterprise Server. In our case, we are going to receive raw text data from Cisco DNA Center. It is important that we append the word raw at the end of the URL for the HTTP collector. To start the configuration of the Splunk HTTP Event Collector, we will go to Settings, followed by Data Inputs. Then we will add a new HTTP Event Collector. We are going to provide the name of this HTTP collector, which is typically the source of the data, and the description is optional. We follow by selecting where the incoming data will be saved. In my case, I'm going to select the main index. This could be different for you. At the end, we are going to review the configuration. Again, this is a minimum configuration that is required. In your case, you may have a variety of different options that could be selected as well. After we submitted this configuration, we are going to be provided with a token value. This is important for the authentication of the webhook notification from Cisco DNA Center to the HTTP Event Collector. Copy and save this token value. You can retrieve this value later in your settings configuration if you need to. Now let's review the Cisco DNA Center webhooks configuration. We'll go to Platform, followed by Developer Toolkit and Events. We are going to select one or multiple events that we want to subscribe to, and subscribe. We will have to provide a name. The subscription type is REST. Define the endpoint name. Provide a description. The URL is the Splunk server. In my case, I'm using the default port, which is 8088. The services collector, and very important, the keyword raw. Cisco DNA Center supports the methods post and put. In our case, we are going to use the method post. Authentication is basic, with the headers authorization, and the header value is composed between the words Splunk, a space, and your HTTP Event Collector token. Splunk add-on apps allow us to collect data from Cisco DNA Center using the REST APIs and a Python script that will run on Splunk Enterprise Server. These scripts may run on demand or scheduled and will collect additional information from Cisco DNA Center. Here is a sample Cisco DNA Center add-on app that will collect device inventory and overall network health every 60 seconds. Here is a sample of a Cisco DNA Center dashboard. It includes information regarding all the events received in the last 30 days, the type of events, the severity of the events, device reachability, and overall network health for the last 60 minutes. Let's look at the Cisco DNA Center. We have currently 5 events. The network health is 100%. We will generate a new event by shutting down an interface between 2 cloud services routers. On the Cisco DNA Center dashboard, we can see we have a new event, and this event is a priority 1 for the interface connecting network devices is down. To review the Cisco DNA Center real-time event notification, we go to Platform and we will filter for the event 251, interface connecting network devices is down. We can review active subscriptions, REST, and review Splunk Lake Oswego subscription. We can see the name, the method is REST, the URL, and the basic authentication with the header authorization and the header value composed between Splunk and HTTP event collector. I created a simple Cisco DNA Center dashboard for my Splunk Enterprise Lab server. We can see here information regarding the events received during the last 30 days, type of events, and event severity. Also, we have real-time information regarding device reachability and overall network health. To find out the event that has been received by the Splunk Enterprise, we can go to Data Summary, Sources, and select the Cisco DNA Center cluster that sent the notification. We can see here information regarding the event. It is a connectivity issue between 2 network devices. One of the devices that trigger this event has the management IP address of 10.93.141.23 and the details regarding the interface that is disabled. In the description of this video, you are going to find information regarding the Cisco Enterprise Networking GitHub organization. It includes sample code for a variety of different Cisco DNA Center REST APIs. Thank you for watching this video.